Hello, everyone. It's Christmas Eve, or close to it, when you'll be seeing this. So this is my Christmas gift to all of you. 'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. All the stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children all nestled snug in their beds, as visions of sugar plums danced through their heads. And Mamma in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled our brains for a long winter's nap, when out on the lawn there arose such a clatter I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the luster of midday to objects below, when what to my wondering eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. The little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment that must be St. Nick. For faster than eagles his coursers they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name. Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen, to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, all. As wild leaves before the hurricane fly, when met with an obstacle, mount to the sky. So up to the housetop the coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys, and St. Nicholas too. And then in a moment I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bag of toys he had flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his sack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry, his cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth was turned up like a bow, and the beard of his chin was as white as the snow. The stump of his pipe he held tight in his teeth, and the smoke it encircled his head like a wreath. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubbly and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He said not a word, went straight to his work, filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk, and laying a finger aside of his nose and giving a nod up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his steam, gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. And I heard him exclaim, ere he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Merry Christmas, everyone.